Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll discuss about NumPy sum function. So how to add array, so that is how to add matrix with different dimensions like 1D, 2D, 3D. So let's open the PyCharm. See, that is the what is NumPy sum. So NumPy sum is a function by which we can add different types of different sizes of arrays. Okay, so if we go to the syntax NumPy dot sum a, what is a is input array, and axis along which we want to calculate the sum of value. Otherwise it will consider array to be flattened, work on all the axes. Okay, so see, this is important to know. Axis equals to 0 means along with column, axis equals to 1 means working along with rows. Okay, now out equals to none. So what is out? Different array in which we want to place the result. The array must have same dimensions as expect output. Default is none. Okay, now the next parameter is keep dims is a boolean parameter. It is also optional. If it is set to true, the axes which are reduced are left in the result as dimensions with size 1. Initial is also optional parameter. Initial parameter specifies the starting value of the sum. Let's suppose we want to start from 0, from 10, from 11. So we can specify the initial. Now the next one is a return. The sum of array element, a scalar value if axis is none, or array with some value along with the specified axis, we can specify data types to specify the return output data type. Okay, so return means we can specify the array of data type of an array. Where array, like of bool, it is also optional element to include in the sum. Okay, so these are the some parameters, but the mandatory parameter is this one, input array. This is the mandatory. Okay, and rest all are optional. So first of all we should know the basic rules to add and subtract matrices. So as we know, two matrices may be added or subtracted only if they have the same dimensions. That is, they must have the same number of rows and columns. Okay, now the next one, the number of rows and column that matrix has is called its dimension or its order. By convention, rows are listed first and column second. Thus would say that the dimensions or order of the matrix is matrix below is 2:3, meaning it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So see, it is 3 rows, and see, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows means this one is rows and 3 columns, this one is column. Okay, so it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now we'll import the NumPy. How to import NumPy as NP? Just enter shift and enter. Okay, now it is imported. Now sum of the array, all the element. If we want to add all the elements, then see, this is the size of an array. What is the size of an array? 3:3 means 3 rows 3 columns. Okay, and if we execute this one, see, it is executed. And if we sum, so how to sum? So we can specify one variable name, and np dot sum. Sum is a function and array 1, and total sum is, see how 39. So 39, how it is? We did not mention any axis here, not 0, not 1, neither 0 nor 1. So it will add all the included all. So 1, if we add this one, 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 6 20, 25, and 31 and plus 8 39. So it total 39. So it will sum up. And now sum of array along the axis, I have taken another array that is the size of, what is the size of 3 2 2 is to 3 means what, 2 column 3 rows. Okay, 3 is to 2, we can say 3 is to 2. Now see, if we specify the size, then like that array array 2 dot shape. Now if we execute this one, see 3 is to 2 means 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, now if we sum with axis 0 means, here we have specified axis 0 means column. So column means this one. So let's add this one. What happens? 18 and 21. So 4 5 9 plus 9 18, 6 7 13, 13 8 21. So it is added. And in the same way, if we add this one, axis equals to 1, so it will, if now if we add, see 10 12 and 13. So how it is 10? 4 6 10, 5 7 12, 9 8 17. So it will give. And if we want to this one, what, the type, so type, as we know, type, that is ND array it is, so no need to see this one. Okay, only we have to we will focus only the sum of array with axis 1. Axis 1 means what, axis 1 means rows. Okay, now come to the second, come to the next point. What, specify data type as we have we can mention data type. So here we can mention data type is float. We have taken this array. Okay. And the size of the array is what? Size of the array, just write array dot array 3 dot shape. And this is a two dimensional, 2 rows 2 columns. Okay, and if we add this one, see 22, 7 to 9, 9 plus 13, 22. Okay, now in this way we can, here we can mention the data types. Okay, we can mention the data type. And now specify the initial value in sum means initial value we can mention it. So here we have defined another array that is the size of what, 2 and 3, 2 3 2 3 means 2 rows 3 columns. Okay, now if we add this one, then what happens? See, if we add, then it is added 31. Now it is at 31. And now if we axis 1 means what? Axis 1 means rows. So row wise it will add, and each and every element it will, see 34 37. So means 34 37 means what happened? Row wise 6 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 20 34, and 5 9, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 20 37. So it will added in axis row wise. And same way if we provide here 0, then what happens? See 5 8 plus 20 28, first elements would be 28 28 34 29. Okay, now this is the initial value we can specify. This one is initial value we can specify. Okay, and now create array with a specific size. If you want to, we have an arrange function in Python, so we can create we can create the element. Let's suppose 3 is to 2. How many elements? 6 elements, 3 rows 2 columns. So see 3 rows 2 columns, and execute this one. 3 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 2 columns. And if we sum this one with axis 1, see what happens? 1 5 9, 1 5 and 9. And if we want to add axis 0 means column wise, then also we can add 6 and 9, 4 2 6 and 3 5 8 1 9. So this is the way, and this is the sum function in NumPy. So this is very easy, and we will I mean, this is the very easy, and we just use the sum function and some parameters we can use wisely as when we needed this one. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.